Good morning.
Morning.
How are you today? I am okay. This is a woodpecker. Woodpecker. What bird is it?
Yellow.
Yes, this is a swallow. Birds and bees. Birds and bees. Goodbye. See you soon. Goodbye.
Sizning farzandingiz ham avlod Kids'da ta'lim olishni istasangiz, hoziroq biz bilan bog'laning va bir kunlik sinov muddatiga ega bo'ling. Eng asosiysi, bu mutlaqo bepul.